Good guys. Welcome to the Kiowa family. We are very happy and proud to have you. As we close today's event, I'd like to take a moment to reflect on the journey that has brought us here today. For over 38 years, Kiowa has been a constant presence in the Filipino community, quietly powering daily life, one meal, one moment, one short. From our humble beginnings, Kiowa has always been about service, about creating reliable, innovative, and affordable home solutions that make life easier and better for the Filipino family. But we would not have reached where we are today without your support. Our partners, our shareholders, our customers, and of course, our friends from India. Your trust, your support, and your partnership have allowed Kiowa to not just survive, but to grow, evolve, and remain relevant across all generations. As we look ahead, we recognize that the world of the Filipino household is changing faster than ever. But one thing remains constant, and that's our commitment to partnership and innovation. We will continue to invest in products that bring real value to Filipino homes, guided by insight, collaboration, and a shared vision we have with our community. We know trust is not given, it is earned day by day. And as we move forward, Kiowa remains deeply committed to earning that trust by listening, by improving, by building relationships together. To our partners and shareholders, thank you for your continued faith and collaboration. To our dear customers, thank you for welcoming us to your stores. And through you, thank you for bringing our products to each and every Filipino home. And to the media, thank you for your stories. Thank you for enforcing the story. And thank you for amplifying our message to keep the legacy alive. On behalf of the entire Kiowa family, thank you for your time, your support, and your unwavering belief in what we do. Together, we will continue to shape the future of Kiowa, rooted in trust, driven by innovation, and inspired by the Filipino people. Maraming salamat sa tiwala at magandang araw sa inyo.